Try not to look fat. Should I say hey, everybody? Hey, everybody. It's John from S'more Camping with the Schraggs. Heather's behind the camera today. We want to talk about a project we're going to do in our Whitehawk 26 RK with the slide out. We've kind of been thinking about it for a couple years, and we want to keep this longer than we thought, so we're going to start with the slide out, making changes. And this is what we're going to do. So this is a trifold. What's it called, huh?
Yep, trifold.
It just kind of, boom, comes out. It's nice. It's memory foam, but you can't lay down in it. It doesn't have any recliners. It sucks. The feeder seats would be better. And then this we thought would be really nice. And we never use the chairs back here. So we're going to do something totally different with this area, which is going to allow us to do something even better with that area. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We haven't decided yet on the direction we're going to move this table, but we're going to take out two chairs, put them in the house in storage. We're going to take this table and either turn it and stick it into that corner, or we might just push it up against that wall and then take the two chairs that we only ever use and set them either this way or this way. Either way is going to give us plenty of room to then take out the couch and put in a larger couch that you can actually lay down in with two recliners. So we're going to get the theater seats and the couch all in one. Today all we're going to do is move the table and take some measurements to see how big we can actually go. This is the table moved. The other two chairs will be gone. That's these. The table is secured. Chairs are secured. I didn't even have to move the tie downs on the bottom because that's kind of where the two chairs were when the table was there. And now look at all this room. We're going to have the ability to put in a huge couch / theater seating, right?
Yep.
From the corner of that to just on this side of that outlet, we have 81.5 inches. The only thing I'm concerned about, say hi. The only thing I'm concerned about would be the weight. And I will make a quick call to Jayco to find out if they know how much that couch weighs, and then we'll figure out what we're putting in and try to stay close to that. And then if they say, hey, that slide out can have this on it, as long as we don't go over that, we're good. This is going to be great. Can't wait till it's done.
This is the first time we've been in the camper since we camped last, right?
Yes, we have not been in the camper since October. No. Did we go anywhere in November? No, we didn't.
We didn't go anywhere after our Georgia trip?
No, we didn't.
We seriously didn't?
Nope.
Not at all?
Nope.
I thought we went somewhere once.
Oh, River of Fire.
Yeah, so we did camp after that.
Yeah.
One of the big things everybody talks about every winter is how do you keep the mice out of your camper?
Mm-hmm. And we do have our camper right beside our house, so that is an advantage. But, see that little shanty out there? Do you see that little shanty out there?
There are mice in there.
Mice live in that thing, and I kill them every year. So, we're like 10 feet away from that. And this camper and the camper before it and the camper before it has been in this location since 2014. So 6 years, and those mice have never come into this camper. And we're not in it. There's months where no one's in it.
Cotton balls with peppermint oil.
Yep. And it makes your camper smell wonderful when you open it up.
Sure does.
We came in, opened everything up, tested all the electronics, put the battery back on, tested all the LP. So the camper is open. So these are the boxes. This stuff came so fast. I couldn't believe it. We ordered this on a Thursday night, late at night, and it was here Saturday. These two came Saturday. This one came today. I don't know if they lost that other one or not, but yeah, so we're going to break this down and see what... Okay, so now that we have the new couch, we're getting ready to take out the love seat, trifold sleeper sofa, whatever you want to call it. And this is how it's done. You fold the bed out. These are the cushions here that go on the back. You fold the bed out, and you have these little sheet metal pieces. Let me get down in here. Right here with 3 screws. Unscrew those, and that's all that's holding this down. So this side I already have done. There's the piece of metal. It was just like that. Take the 3 screws out, and that's all the thicker it is. That's just kind of holding it in place. The only other thing I have to worry about is the light. There is a strip of LED lights under the love seat. So, fold it back up. It's good quality. We just don't like it. And this should be able to move out. There we go. Oh, watch the... There you go. Oh, okay. Oh, look.
Oh, boy.
Look at this.
Oh.
And there's your light strip. Let's see if it still works. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, there it is. So what we're going to do is we'll just stick that. No, we can't. We're going to have to figure out what to do with this because the other couch has 3 recliners, so we're not going to have a nice solid piece for this to stick to.
Right.
But I'm definitely not going to take that out. And there you have it. We redid the slide. We moved the table from where it was over there, took out 2 chairs, removed the 2-person love seat, trifold sofa, transformer bed deal. And this is the RecPro 80-inch sofa recliner party seat.
And this color is called chestnut.
This was, how much was this on? $13.60 something, but then we got 15% off, so it came to $12 something. Yeah. Free shipping. Came here in 1.5 days.
Yep.
All right.
So this folds down. Gives you 2 cup holders.
Then you kind of have the whole theater seat
Right.
deal going on.
And we put this back up. And recline.
Wall. These are wall huggers. So
You only need 3 inches to be able to recline.
yeah, and all 3 of them recline. All right. Now we have to figure out what we're going to do with that strip of LED lights. Did we even show them? So we have this
I think so.
strip of LED lights here that were under the love seat in a track. But because these are 3 individual pieces, there's not one solid track to put that on. I guess we could just lay it under there. That'd look kind of janky. But we're going to figure that out next. So there you go. That's our makeover of the Whitehawk slide out. This is the Whitehawk 26 RK. Signing out.
Till we talk to you guys again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Did all the fail-safe stuff. We don't have any fail-safe. And this is great. I'm stopping. Give me
Oh, no.
give me
Oh, no. Oh, no. Nope.